Hello, this is Walk the Cat. I'm a Japanese. I'd like to show you the way to use kanji in English. It's possible for English speaker to use kanji in English. So, I'll show you the way. So immediately, first question. Let's try to read these sentences. 1, 2, 3 sentences. Please read it. Read them. If you can, please think for yourself. Vega is the fifth brightest star in the whole. Helps those who help themselves. This must be a gift from. Okay, 3 sentences. This kanji. What do you read this kanji? Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'll try reading. Okay, Vega is the fifth brightest star in the whole sky. This sentences, this kanji, sky. But heaven helps those who help themselves. This must be a gift from heaven. So this kanji means heaven and sky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. This kanji means sky, heaven, and this kanji is pronounced ame in Japanese. Or in another movie, I introduced this kanji. This kanji means sky too. This kanji is pronounced sora in Japanese. The difference between the two is that ame. This kanji is above this kanji. Ame is above sora. This kanji is higher than this kanji. Ame is higher than sora. Sky. In Japan, but these two kanji has similar meanings. Okay. Then, next question. Let's use this kanji. Doom. Question. Please rewrite this kanji with kanji and alphabet. Please rewrite these sentences with kanji and alphabet. 3 sentences there are. Okay, think for yourself. Okay. Okay. I'll try rewriting too. Okay. My friend is in the sky. If you use this, your friend is flying now. But this kanji, this friend is dead. Okay. I was impressed a tower reaching to the sky. Okay, this kanji. Higher. Up to the sky. Okay, last. I wish to address my gratitude to heaven for the gift. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Please use this kanji in your daily life. So then, next question. The second question. Done. Please try to read these sentences. 1, 2, 3 sentences. The cat has left hairs all over the sofa. Her face turned as floor. His hair is ning. Okay, please think for yourself. This kanji is easy to read, I think, but I only think. Okay, I'll try reading them too. The cat has left white hairs all over the sofa. Her face turned white as flour. His hair is whitening. Okay. His hair is whitening. Okay. So this kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This kanji. This kanji means white. And this kanji is pronounced shiro in Japanese. Then let's use this kanji. Please rewrite these sentences with kanji and alphabet. He always wears a white shirt. White wine is a good accompaniment to fish dishes. The sun shone whitely. Okay. Look for the word you can rewrite kanji. Okay. I'll try it. Okay. He always wears a white shirt and white wine is a good accompaniment to fish dishes. The sun shone whitely. The sun shone whitely. Okay. Could you do it? If you can, please this kanji in your daily life too. Okay. Finally, please challenge this question. Challenge. Please read these sentences, and if you can, please rewrite these sentences with kanji, with more kanji and alphabet. More kanji. I think you were not taught these another kanji, but I'll show them. I saw a flower in the park. It was very lee, but broke it. Okay, Did you do it? I'll try too. I saw a white flower in the park. It was very heavenly, but a small dog broke it. Okay, these kanji are introduced another movie of mine. Please watch it. Please watch it too. Okay, and I'll try relate these sentences with more kanji and alphabet. I saw a white flower in the park. It was very heavenly. But a small dog broke it. I saw a white flower in the park. It was very heavenly, but a small dog broke it. Okay, this means see. Seeing, so, see, so the difference of see and so. See, so, a white flower in the park. It was very, two kanji has some word two kanjis. Heavenly, but a small dog broke, not break, broke it. Okay, thank you for your watching, and please watch another movie. See you next time. Okay, next time. Goodbye.